Hello! Dogs have truly been our best friends for a long time. But can you believe it? A new pup has arrived on the scene. The robot dog. These high-tech companions are becoming increasingly intelligent, more sophisticated, and, to be honest, quite impressive. But can they truly take the place of our beloved furry friends? Let's jump right in and discover. Alright, let's dive into the benefits of having a robot dog. Forget about the hassle of feeding them, taking them for walks, or cleaning up accidents on the carpet. They're incredibly tough, can withstand various weather conditions, and the best part, no shedding or unexpected vet expenses. Additionally, their battery life is getting better, allowing them to last longer before requiring a charge. Here's something fascinating. Robot dogs hold incredible promise in assisting people. They have the ability to guide the visually impaired, assist in search and rescue missions, and can be programmed for a variety of useful tasks. That's quite impressive, isn't it? That's a feat that only certain dogs can achieve. But let's face it, there's truly nothing like the love of a genuine dog. The tail wagging, the joyful leaps when you enter the room. That bond is truly something extraordinary. Real dogs have an incredible instinct for sensing when you could use a bit more affection, and they're always ready to provide comfort. And cuddles? That's unbeatable. Training a real dog is truly a unique experience. It fosters trust, enhances your connection, and let's not overlook, playing fetch or going for a run together serves as both a workout and a stress reliever all in one. Let's dive into the drawbacks of robot dogs. Despite their sophistication, they lack genuine emotions. There are no joyful tail wags awaiting you at home, nor are there any soothing snuggles to ease a tough day. While they excel at executing programmed tasks, how do they handle unpredictable situations? Not really. What happens if the battery runs out? That's a wrap. Of course, real dogs bring their own unique challenges. They require time, attention, and understanding. Fur flying around, trips to the vet, and the rare shoe that meets its end? Absolutely. It's included in the whole experience. For those with a super busy lifestyle, managing their needs can feel overwhelming. So, which one is the superior choice? It really hinges on what you seek. A real dog is the perfect choice if you're seeking a loyal and loving companion who will always stand by your side. If you have a passion for technology, desire a pet that requires minimal upkeep, or simply find the concept of a futuristic companion appealing, a robot dog could be the ideal choice for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which side are you on? Team Real Dog or Team Robot Dog? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting comparisons.